Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's Tasty Recipe. I hope you are all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how to make this authentic Ghanaian stew. Yes, very delicious and goes with your rice, waakye or spaghetti or anything that you prefer, okay? So stay tuned and let's get started. So the first thing I'll be doing is to blend some vegetables I'll be using to steam the beef. I added red onions, garlic, ginger, green bell pepper. Please don't throw away the seed because it gives it a very nice flavor. Add some green chilies, dry rosemary, and then add water and blend. Okay, so after blending, I will pour it on the meat and the woley or the beef skin that I have, and then I'm going to add black pepper, seasoning cube, and then remi beef seasoning. Please go ahead and add any spices of your choice. Add a pinch of salt to taste, mix everything together, and then put it on fire and allow it to cook until the meat is tender. So the next thing I'll be doing is to blend some tomato, and then I will add locust bean, what we call dawa dawa. The secret to this stew is my locust bean. Trust me, it gives your stew a very nice flavor. I added some red bell pepper, garlic, ginger, and chilies. You can reduce the chilies if you don't want it too spicy. Add water and blend. Okay, so that's the end result. I'll put it in a saucepan and then set it on fire and allow the water to evaporate. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes. The next thing I'll be doing is to check on the meat. So at this point it's ready, so I'm going to proceed and fry. So in a saucepan, add about 3/4 cup of oil and then drop in the beef. All right, but make sure that your oil is hot and then fry until it's a little bit golden. Yes, perfectly how you want it. If you want it too crunchy, you can let it be in the oil for long. All right, so I'm going to remove it and then set it aside and then start with the stew. I'm going to use the same oil for the stew because it has all the flavor from the beef. So I added some sliced white onions. You can use the red ones, which is also fine, and then I will be dropping my secret ingredient. That's the bay leaf and then cinnamon stick. You can also use cinnamon powder, which will take your stew to another level. Trust me, you wouldn't want to miss this, so please do try it. And then I'll add 150 gram of tomato paste. You can use any brand of your choice, which you will have a great result. So give it a quick stir and then cover and allow it to cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, so upon checking on the tomato mixture, it's also ready, so I'll turn off the heat and then set it aside. Okay, so after 8 minutes, I'm just going to give it a quick stir and then add the tomato mixture that we boiled earlier. And then I will be adding the stock from the beef as well. Please do add it for a great taste, okay? So add everything, give it a quick mix, and then cover and allow it to cook for about 16 to 20 minutes on medium heat. Okay, so after 20 minutes, I'm just going to stir and then add my spices. I will be adding 1 pack of the remi beef seasoning and then teaspoon of black pepper. Please go ahead and add any spice of your choice. If you want salt, you can also add, but I do not add salt because my stock has salt and then cube seasoning, so that's okay with me. Go ahead and then add the fried beef and the woley. Mix everything together and cover and give it about 6 to 10 minutes to also stew on medium heat. Okay, so after 10 minutes, our stew is almost done, but I'm just going to drop 1 Carolina pepper for extra heat, which is optional if you don't want it. And then I'll add some boiled eggs, mix everything together and cover and give it the last 2 minutes, and then it's ready to be served. Okay, so after 2 minutes, the stew is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat and then serve. Yes, you can enjoy this with your rice, your waakye, spaghetti, boiled yam. You can also make gari photo or even use it for your jollof. Okay, it has a very nice flavor and then you're going to get a great result. So I'm going to have this with waakye. Yes, I made some waakye earlier, so I'm just going to enjoy. Please do check my description box for all the ingredients, okay? And if you want to also try my shito recipe, please kindly check my videos and then you will see it right there. So please, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share and stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. God bless you all. Please take care. Bye bye.